Alright friends, today we have a rare John Deere 66 SV. Picked up locally. I'm going to sell it locally. Sorry for you viewers, but I am going to sell this locally. It's a real nice saw. Hard to find 66 SV. Works like it's supposed to. There's no doubt it's oiling. You can see from the video. But this was filmed in late March of 2026. So I don't think it'll last long locally, but I just wanted to show you the kind of saws we're finding at times. As nice as you'll find, in my opinion. This thing is real nice. Some minor scratches, dings, etc. But overall, a real nice saw. Shuts off, works like it's supposed to. Thanks for watching.